quick little amp rack. Hey, but what kind of room do we got in here? So what? 20?
Yeah.
How about that way?
Which way?
This way. 8 inches or so. Sounds good.
Yeah.
I think that's all I really need for right now. Look how quickly something drawn on a post-it note turns into something real once you get it in CAD. I'm drawing in VCarve Pro 9. So it's going to be a couple different layers to make this happen. We'll do a little bit of mirrored edge from the backside so it shines through. So we'll pop it in reverse. We got a frame, and then another frame, and then a little something to try to hide the LEDs. So we'll send it directly from here over to the laser. So obviously this amp rack isn't really nothing special. It's got 1 amp on it. We're going to use a UB 1.2 because we're using 0 gauge wire from the front to the back. And then from those 0 gauge wires, we're going to have 4 gauge wires running to the amplifier itself. There's definitely reasons why I'm doing that, but you'll see. It's going to look kind of cool when it's done for a single amp rack. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be mirrored. It's going to have a little bit of backlit LEDs inside of it. Edge lit, I should say. Bottom lit, whatever. You'll see how it comes out here in a second. But just a little something to try to make it special. And we're just about done. After this thing's in the car, we can start running the wires the rest of the way. See if it works. Oh shit. Make a quick little spacer. That way the lights could hit the edge of that mirror a little bit better. Worked out pretty good, I think. Let's see. What up, bud? Yeah. Let's pop this thing in. That's just what we got. That there. Cool little lamp rack. Pretty good. All right, let's see what's inside these doors. I know it's something crunchy in there. It sounds crunchy.
Solo.
I'm a star, you can see it, no flex. Flew off to the clouds like a jet. Till I'm done, I'ma stay on their neck. Let the culture, but I gotta chase checks. Stay solid, don't love no hoes. Why you invested, she tryna get dough. Why you hate, now move with that glow. Kill everything, so that I know. On one, home run hits. The base heads love that shit. Curry at the 3 at